Yo, what's up, everybody? You ever just get that itch? You know? That feeling like you gotta get out there, see the world, experience something new, like life's too short to just stay in one place, right? I'm talking about those bucket list cities, the ones that'll blow your mind and leave you changed forever. This is it, guys, the ultimate travel guide. We're about to hit up 20 cities that are an absolute must-visit before you kick the bucket. Get ready to explore, eat some crazy good food, and discover the hidden gems most people only dream about. Let's go! Yo, what's up, everybody? You ever just get that itch, you know? That feeling like you gotta get out there, see the world, experience something new. Like, life's too short to just stay in one place, right? I'm talking about those bucket list cities, the ones that'll blow your mind. This is it, guys, the ultimate travel guide. We're about to hit up 20 must-visit cities, get ready to explore, eat some crazy good food, and discover hidden gems. Let's go.
First up, Tokyo. This city, man, it's like stepping into the future, but with this crazy respect for tradition. You got these neon-lit skyscrapers, robots serving you coffee, then bam! You turn a corner and there's a centuries-old temple, serene and beautiful. The energy here is electric. Don't even get me started on the food. Sushi so fresh it'll make you cry. Ramen that'll warm your soul, and street food that's a whole adventure in itself.
From the neon chaos of Tokyo, we're diving into the vibrant chaos of Marrakesh. This city is a sensory overload. The sights, the sounds, the smells, it's like stepping into another world. Imagine getting lost in the Medina, the scent of spices and leather filling your nostrils. You can haggle for treasures in the souks and witness storytelling in Jama El Fna Square. Marrakesh will awaken your senses and leave you craving more.
Next up, we're hitting the beaches of Rio de Janeiro, baby. This city is all about energy, passion, and living life to the fullest. Picture this. You're on Copacabana Beach, sun on your skin, waves crashing, and then bam! The rhythm of samba takes over, and you can't help but move. From Christ the Redeemer to colourful favelas, Rio is a feast for the eyes and a party for the soul.
Chapter 4, Reykjavik, Land of Fire and Ice. We're heading north to Reykjavik, Iceland, where the landscape is as dramatic as a Viking saga. Imagine soaking in the Blue Lagoon, surrounded by snow-capped mountains, northern lights dancing overhead. It's surreal, like a dream. Reykjavik embraces its Viking heritage while being modern and cool. Explore geothermal wonders, go whale watching, or wander the streets. Chapter 5. Get ready for adventure in Cape Town, South Africa, where natural beauty meets urban cool. Imagine hiking up Table Mountain, the city below, the ocean stretching out. It's breathtaking. Cape Town has stunning beaches, world-class wineries, and a vibrant cultural scene. Go cage diving, spot penguins, or take a safari to see the Big Five.
Chapter 6. All right, guys. We're heading back to my stomping grounds, New York City, the city that never sleeps. This place is a whirlwind of energy, ambition, and endless possibilities. You can walk for blocks, each corner a different world. You got the bright lights of Times Square, the quiet beauty of Central Park, the gritty charm of Brooklyn. New York is a melting pot of cultures, a place where dreams are made of, and you can find anything you could ever imagine.
Get ready for a journey back in time because we're heading to Machu Picchu, the lost city of the Incas, nestled high in the Andes Mountains of Peru. Imagine this. You're hiking through the ancient Inca Trail, surrounded by lush rainforest, and suddenly, bam! The ruins of Machu Picchu emerge from the clouds, a testament to a lost civilization. This place is magical, filled with history, mystery, and breathtaking views. It's a journey you'll never forget.
Chapter 8, Marrakesh, a sensory overload. We're heading back to Marrakesh because, trust me, one visit isn't enough. This time we're diving deeper into the heart of the Medina, exploring hidden riads. Imagine sipping mint tea in a tranquil riad, fountains filling the air, orange blossoms intoxicating your senses. It's like stepping back in time. Marrakesh is a city of contrasts where chaos and tranquility coexist. G'day mates, we're off to Sydney, Australia, a city that's as laid back as it is cosmopolitan. Imagine this. You're strolling along Sydney Harbor, the iconic Opera House gleaming in the sunshine, the Harbor Bridge soaring overhead. It's a sight that'll stay with you forever. Sydney is all about outdoor living, from its world-famous beaches to its lush parks. Catch a wave at Bondi Beach, explore the Royal Botanic Garden, or simply soak up the city's infectious energy.
Get ready to be enchanted by Istanbul, Turkey, a city where ancient history collides with modern vibrancy. Imagine this. You're standing in the Hagia Sophia gazing up at its soaring dome, a testament to the city's rich past as both a Byzantine and Ottoman capital. Istanbul is a city of contrasts, where mosques stand alongside churches, and the aroma of Turkish coffee fills the air. Explore the Grand Bazaar, get lost in the labyrinthine streets of Sultanahmet, and experience the city's unique blend of cultures.
Bonjour from Paris, the city of love. This city is a timeless classic with its elegant architecture, romantic ambiance, and world-class cuisine. Imagine this. You're strolling along the Seine River hand in hand with your loved one, the Eiffel Tower twinkling in the distance. It's the epitome of romance. Paris is a city for dreamers, for lovers, for anyone who appreciates beauty in all its forms. Explore the Louvre Museum, climb the Arc de Triomphe, and indulge in the city's culinary delights.
Benvenuti a Roma, the eternal city. This city is a living museum where ancient ruins stand as a testament to its glorious past. Imagine this. You're tossing a coin into the Trevi fountain, making a wish as you soak up the city's timeless beauty. Rome is a feast for the senses, from its stunning architecture to its delicious cuisine. Explore the Colosseum, wander through the Roman Forum, and indulge in the city's culinary delights.
Cheerio from London, a city that's both historic and hip with a royal touch. Imagine this. You're sipping tea and eating scones at a charming cafe, watching the red double-decker buses go by. It's quintessentially British. London is a city of contrasts, where Buckingham Palace stands tall alongside edgy street art, and traditional pubs rub shoulders with trendy bars. Explore the Tower of London, ride the London Eye, and experience the city's unique blend of old and new.
Sawasdi from Bangkok, Thailand, a city that's a whirlwind of sights, sounds, and smells. Imagine this. You're exploring ancient temples, haggling for souvenirs at bustling markets, and indulging in delicious street food. It's an assault on the senses in the best way possible. Bangkok is a city of contrasts, where glittering skyscrapers tower over traditional wooden houses, and Buddhist monks walk the streets alongside businessmen in suits.
Welcome to Dubai, a city that's all about pushing boundaries and reaching for the sky. Imagine this. You're standing atop the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, gazing out at the city's futuristic skyline. It's a sight that'll take your breath away. Dubai is a city of superlatives, from its towering skyscrapers to its man-made islands. Go skiing indoors, shop till you drop in luxurious malls, and experience the city's over-the-top extravagance.
Hola from Barcelona, Spain, a city that's a feast for the eyes with its stunning architecture, vibrant art scene, and delicious cuisine. Imagine this. You're wandering through Park Güell, marveling at Gaudi's whimsical creations, the city spread out before you like a colorful canvas. Barcelona is a city that embraces its creativity, from its world-renowned architecture to its lively street art. Explore the Sagrada Familia, stroll down Las Ramblas, and soak up the city's infectious energy.
Welcome to Amsterdam, a city that's as charming as it is liberal, with its picturesque canals, world-class museums, and laid-back vibe. Imagine this. You're cruising along the canals on a sunny afternoon, passing by colorful houseboats and historic bridges. It's the perfect way to experience the city's unique charm. Amsterdam is a city that embraces its individuality, from its liberal attitudes to its eclectic mix of architecture. Explore the Anne Frank House, visit the Rijksmuseum, and experience the city's relaxed and tolerant atmosphere.
Dobry den from Prague, Czech Republic, a city straight out of a fairy tale, with stunning architecture and charming cobblestone streets. Imagine strolling across the Charles Bridge at sunset, the Prague castle illuminated, the Vltava river flowing beneath. It's a scene that's both romantic and magical. Prague is full of surprises, from its medieval Old Town Square to its quirky art scene.
Irashaimase to Kyoto, Japan, a city that's a true gem, with its ancient temples, traditional gardens, and refined culture. Imagine this. You're walking through a serene bamboo forest, the sunlight filtering through the leaves, the air filled with the sound of rustling bamboo. It's a truly tranquil experience. Kyoto is a city that's steeped in history and tradition, from its ancient temples to its geisha districts. Visit Fushimi Inari Shrine, explore the Gion district, and experience the city's unique blend of old and new.
Bienvenido a Havana, Cuba, a city frozen in time with vintage cars, crumbling colonial architecture, and vibrant music. Imagine sipping a mojito in a rooftop bar, salsa music drifting through the air, the city spread out before you. Havana is full of life and energy, despite its challenges. Explore Old Havana, stroll the Malecón, and experience the city's unique blend of history and culture.
So, there you have it, guys. 20 cities that'll blow your mind. From the neon lights of Tokyo to the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu, from the beaches of Rio to the canals of Amsterdam, these cities offer incredible diversity. Now it's your turn. Which city sparked your wanderlust? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos. Until next time, keep exploring.